Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we're actually living it. American pride. We're in the forest. It's rather calming. That's why I sound like this. Shoot. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, the mosquitoes is out here. But feathers up, we're not just talking, we're actually living it. If you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, make sure you go give us a follow. We post there on a regular, you dig? A lot of great things. Ideas flourishing in my mind right now as we're speaking. Even the turtles thinking us doing some turtle paintings. Even though I haven't seen any turtles yet, but I'm just thinking about how these animals, they resemble the land. You know, they resemble the land and whatnot. As us, you know, original inhabitants, we're original to the land, so we are original to the land. You know? Ooh. Okay. What is that? Oh, it's red leaves. I'm like, somebody put something there? But yeah. Doing some clarity, thinking. I'm not even sure what time it is. You know, this time is all made up. You know, they say, who are you to put 7 days? Who are you to put 7 days in a week? You know, who are you to say there's 24 hours in a day? Who you say the clock goes forward? Who you say the clock goes back? I'm just thinking this is very necessary. This detox is very needed. Because I was wondering if I was going to go ahead and eat or getting ready to eat yet. I didn't know if I was ready yet, but turns out I might end up ready, because one thing that was been on my mind is doing the 10 day dry fast. You know, going for 10 days, wanted something else. You know, waiting on something else. But you know, the thing is, it might be needed because, you know, as we were doing. Dang, I just wiped off a lot of my paint. Golly. I'm so used. It's whatever. Can't go back in time. Because time isn't real. So maybe we can go back. Maybe we can go back in sequence. If it's most definitely present. But it only has to be present in the mind, you dig? So look. But I was going to I was doing my 3-day fast, and as I was doing it, what happened? There was I think I was on my second. It was at night. It was at night on my second day. Second day, I'm going to my third. About to be on my third.